Guys, we got Harmony room 11309. Let's check it out. We got a boardwalk balcony room. We'll take you straight out to the boardwalk balcony and have a look. 11th deck. Overlooking the boardwalk down below on Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. There's the boardwalk down there with all the activities. Got that cool slide going all the way up to deck 16, I believe it is. Got a nice shot of the ocean out the back of the ship. I think we can also see the water show down there on deck 5 as well, or deck 4. All right, so out here you get a couple of nice seats. A little footrest and a round table, a little cocktail table. Get a nice spot to sit out and have some drinks. And communicate with your neighbors if you'd like. All right, let's head back in. I'm gonna shut this door so it's not so loud. Okay, got a king size bed with nightstands on both sides, your phone, reading lights. That is a kind of a dirty headboard. We're gonna have to clean that guy pretty good. Doesn't look like there's any power hookups on that side. But on this side we have an outlet, standard outlet. Here's a better look at the bed against the door to the balcony. Your flat screen TV with a little cubby down there beneath it. All right. Excuse me, this room does come with a nice large sofa. I don't think this sofa does not fold out. But that's a very good size sofa. I can lay on that. I'm almost 6 feet tall and I don't even come close to going to the edge, so that's a good size. Here's your closet, number 1. Lots of cubbies to store your belongings. The safe is also in here. And down below we got a couple of drawers. And a good place to store luggage is underneath the bed. These are tall and they're very open down there. There's some extra blankets down there, but this is a good spot to store your suitcases. Keep them out of the way. All right, over here, a nice armoire, I guess you'd call that, and a vanity. There's some more plugins. You got your American and European style, also some USB ports. A light switch for the vanity mirror. Nice little chair, pull-out chair. And down here you get a little mini fridge. Nice big drawer with a hair dryer provided by the ship. More drawers to hide your clothes. You can unpack your suitcases. A nice good sized desk. There's your thermostat controls right there next to the restroom. And closet number 2. A little bit more room in this one to hang things and maybe store a couple suitcases if you need. Full-size mirror next to the door. And let's head into the bathroom. All right, got a couple hooks to hang your suits or towels or whatever you'd like to hang. Nice shower with a curved glass door. Give you a little extra room inside the shower so you're not bumping into the door, or some ships have a shower curtain. But this one's nice. It provides extra space so you can actually wash yourself without hitting the wall of your toilet. And a little space down there to store towels and tissues, toilet paper, or whatever you want. Nice little sink. and some countertop space. There's also a few shelves over here in the corner. And that's where they hang the towels for you. All right. Oh. So there you go. This is room 11309 on Harmony of the Seas. We are seeking paradise together. We thank all of you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the room tour. Have a great day and happy cruising.